Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a hairstyling tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you exactly how I style my hair every single day. I have been growing it out and it is now about midway down my back. And it's gotten a lot harder to manage just because it is longer. There's a lot more hair, a lot more area that needs to be straightened or curled. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a tool that has been helping me make my routine so simple. It is the new Panasonic styling iron with Nano E technology. So before you guys ask, Nano E technology is actually really great to lock in the moisture in your hair. It actually takes the moisture from the air and it distributes it evenly throughout your hair strands so that it locks in the moisture into those hair strands, and it just leaves behind a really nice, fully moisturized, shiny, healthy, and hydrated appearance to the hair. So I really like that. It also is so great because it's very convenient. It now has a beautiful thumb grip right there. So it makes it easier to style your hair, especially to style it with one hand, because you can rest assured that this flat iron will not tug on your hair strand. And it also has a digital temperature and power buttons, which is really great. So it has all the temperatures listed and you can just hit the one you want. That way you know for sure which temperature you're setting your iron to, and it also turns off automatically when there's been 60 minutes of non-use, which is great because there have been so many times where I leave the house and I'm so anxious because I'm like, oh no, did I turn my straightener off? I'm not 100%. So sometimes I'll even just drive back because I'm so paranoid, but this helps to relieve that paranoia, because you'll know that even if you did leave it on, which isn't a great thing, it will turn off on its own after a certain amount of time. So that's really great to know. Safety first, everyone. Safety first. I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. And if you want to see how I style my hair on a daily basis, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to start by turning on my styling iron and then setting it to the temperature of my choice. I like to do 365 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'm going in with the leave-in detangling conditioner by a brand called Inspire. You can find it at Sally Beauty. And I'm just spraying it through my hair and then combing it through so I can get rid of any tangles or knots that might snag my hair when I'm straightening it. So I'm doing that here. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair into two sections, just a top section and a bottom. We're going to work with the bottom first, and there's no right way to do this or not. I'm using a heat protectant from a brand called BTZ, and it's a really great product because it also gives some shine to your hair, so I just like to comb that through before I begin straightening. And now I'm going to start straightening my hair with the Panasonic styling iron. And this iron actually heats up in 30 seconds, so you don't even have to wait a very long time for it to heat up right away. It's really great and convenient for early mornings when you really need to get out the door. And it also has pretty wide ceramic plates, so it takes up more area of hair and allows you to finish straightening your hair a lot easier, a lot faster. And as you can tell, I'm using one hand because of that ergonomic grip. It helps to keep your thumb nice and comfortable and give you a better grip on the straightener so that you can straighten with one hand. And also, as you can tell, it's not snagging my hair at all. It's not tugging on it or anything like that. It literally just flows right through the hair. So, of course, I do recommend obviously combing your hair prior to straightening with any styling iron. So that's just a tip, because if not, you will break off some strands and it will be a lot more difficult to, straighten your hair easier. If you do have some tangles in there. So that is all I'm doing. I don't really use a kind of a structure. I just kind of go for all the strands that aren't straight. So I just try to find them, and then I go ahead and I straighten them through, and then I'll comb my hair to see which strands are still a little wavy. Naturally, my hair is wavy, as you can tell. I'm starting the top section of my hair, and you can kind of see my natural texture there. So it is wavier, and when I comb it through, it does kind of get a little poofy, a little puffy. So the Panasonic Nano E technology is great for kind of puffy hair because it helps to settle it down. It helps to make it nice, sleek, straight, shiny, and hydrated. So this is what I do. And then for the top part of the hair, as you can tell, I'm kind of straightening it inward a little bit just to give my layers a little bit more bounce, because I do have layers in my hair. And this just helps to give it more of a nice polished look as well, so that the strands aren't just sitting straight atop your head. They have a little bit of bounce, and they look really nice and textured. So that is what I'm doing here. Now for my bangs, since my bangs have grown out, I kind of like to center part them. So I'll kind of flip them forward and straighten them from top to bottom, kind of facing in the opposite direction, because this gives the bangs a little bit of bounce, as you can tell in the front. So it helps them not look stick straight, it gives them some bounce, some body, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget you can find the new Panasonic styling iron at Target.com, and the link will be in the description bar for you guys, and I will see you guys again very soon in my next video. Bye!